Protecting the lives of tiny humans means every second and every decision matters. Dr. Leanne McGlinn, founder of McGlinn Institute Neonatal, stands as an authority in neonatal care and an expert among legal nurse consultants. She brings over 3 decades of hands-on experience to every case, from birth injury cases, endotracheal intubation, necrotizing enterocolitis, to any form of neonatal medical malpractice. She's seen it all. Dr. McGlinn's comprehensive background as a principal researcher, neonatal nurse practitioner, respiratory therapist, published author, and certified simulation educator provides a crucial advantage when the details matter most. As faculty at major medical universities such as Baylor College of Medicine, the University of Texas Medical Branch, East Carolina University, and Old Dominion University, she has taught neonatal care to the next generation of neonatal providers. This expertise drives her to accurately and simply explain complex medical facts to juries as one of the top legal nurse consultants. Work with an expert who truly understands the sanctity of a newborn's life. Contact a leader in legal nurse consultants by calling or texting 704-728-4961 or email Dr. McGlinn at mcglinninstitute.com and visit leonmcglinn.com or www.mcglinninstitute.com.